Before the opening bell, U.S. indices closing under pressure on Friday following the U.K.'s decision to leave the European Union. The SP 500 pushed lower by shares in banks, automobiles and components, diversified financials. While on the economic docket, durable good orders falling by 2.2% in May in a preliminary estimate from a rise of 3.4%. Also, the University of Michigan Consumer Sentiment Index in June decreasing to 93.5 in a final estimate, this from 94.7 back in May. Decliners well ahead of advancers, 92% of SP 500 constituents trading lower on Friday. Now, after the markets closed, we turned our attention over to Energy Transfer Equity, which won in court after a Delaware judge ruled that the company can indeed back out of a $33 billion deal with Williams Company. Also, Alphabet in talks with mobile operators about releasing its Google-branded phone. This reported by The Telegraph. And Parker Hannifin downgraded to underweight from neutral over at JP Morgan. Meanwhile, turning overseas to Asia, we continue to see mixed results. The Nikkei did end higher 2.39%. The Hang Seng down 0.16%. China's CSI 300 still on the upside 1.41%, while South Korea's Kospi up 0.08%. European markets declining and U.S. futures calling for a soft opening. Turning attention to the United States, there are no major earnings expected today, while on the economic docket, advanced goods trade balance at 8:30 in the morning is due, while at 9:45 we have the June preliminary market U.S. services and composite PMI. Turning attention now over to the markets, Trading Central sees the S&P 500 to be in a period of caution. The relative strength index mixed and calling for caution, so long positions above 1999 are favored, with targets at 2075 and 2090 in extension. The Nasdaq, meanwhile, seeing caution, preferring long positions above 4220, and the Dow Jones seeing caution, preferring long positions above 17,100.